Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to study about what is paired row system of planting crops and how to calculate the plant population in paired row system. At first, we will understand the concept of paired row system of planting. We will understand this concept with suitable examples. Now look at these two images. Here diagram A is of normal sowing of maize with spacing of 75 into 25 cm square, while diagram B is a paired row system of plantation. It will look different, but in terms of plant population, both systems have equal plant population. Now let's know more in detail. In paired row system of planting, two adjacent rows of base crops are paired. You can see in diagram, maize is planted in two adjacent rows with distance of 60 cm. The space between paired rows in diagram, see space between AB and CD is 90 cm. This widened space may be utilized for intercrop cultivation. However, plant population of main crop is kept constant. For example, normally maize is sown at spacing of 75 cm into 25 cm, as shown in diagram A. It means all the plants are equally spaced in line at 75 cm interval, and within the row, plants are uniformly spaced at 25 cm interval. While in paired row, two rows are brought closer by 15 cm. That means 7.5 cm from both sides. That's why the inter-row space increased to 90 cm between two pair rows, as shown in figure B. Thus, spacing will be written as 90 cm into 60 cm into 25 cm. You should know that the spacing is equivalent to 75 cm into 25 cm in terms of plant population. Now we will see some numericals of plant population in paired row system. At first, see the formula for it. Plant population per hectare equals to 10,000 divided by mean paired and inter-row distance in meter into plant to plant distance in meter. That means at the time of solving numericals, we have to take mean of paired and inter-row distance. Now we will understand this with example. Here is example number 1. Calculate the plant population of maize in 1 hectare area if the crop is raised in paired row system at spacing of 90 cm into 60 cm into 25 cm. Now see here. The given spacing is 90 cm into 60 cm into 25 cm. By converting it into meter, it will be 0.90 meter into 0.60 meter into 0.25 meter. Putting these values in formula, it will be the plant population per hectare equals to 10,000 divided by 0.90 plus 0.60 divided by 2 into 0.25. We did this step because we have to consider mean of paired row and inter-row distance. Now see the next step. 10,000 divided by 0.75 into 0.25, and the answer will be 53,333. Thus, the plant population of maize per hectare is 53,333. You can see here also the plant population of spacing 75 cm into 25 cm in normal spacing also will be similar to this answer. So friends, thank you for watching our video. I hope that you understand this concept, and please subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos.